Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You create your Jvzoo account and set payment details now because fast payouts matter. Once done, choose a focused niche and explain why it fits your audience. You should immediately identify top vendors and shortlist 3 product types. This prevents scattered promotion. Next, compile 5 high-converting offers and note their gravity and commission rates. Make sure to save vendor contact info so you can request creatives or JV links. This accelerates your next steps. You build a funnel that converts by starting with a single opt-in to capture leads. Then design an offer page that highlights benefits, testimonials, and a clear CTA because conversions need clarity. Once the funnel's ready, set up an autoresponder and draft a 5-email sequence: warm, educate, pitch, scarcity, and follow-up. Simultaneously decide on traffic sources. If paid, allocate a test budget, whereas organic requires content and consistency. Make sure tracking pixels and Jvzoo. You launch the campaign and monitor key metrics: opt-in rate, click-through, and conversion. Once you see data, run a /B tests on headlines, creatives, and email subject lines to raise performance. Make sure to scale winners slowly while watching ROI and pause losers. If things go wrong, like sudden drops, first check tracking and affiliate links, then creatives and landing speed, because broken links and slow pages kill conversions. Finally, contact the vendor if the offer or payout seems incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.